Today we are going to review 2016 Toyota Hilux Revo with TRD kit. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hello dear friends, this is a Jim Autos presentation. We export right-hand drive vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong and Japan, and left-hand drive vehicles from United States, Canada, Dubai, Oman and Europe. Our website is toyota-dealer.org/WP1. Thank you guys. Okay friends, this is Jack back again. So as I said, these are 2016 Toyota Hilux Revo, the old shape, and these have been retrofitted with the TRD kit. So we'll see from the front. So here it almost looks like the new kit. This it look like the TRD, and here is the intake grill, the radiator grill, so for the intercooler functionality. And here is another kit, and this is all included with this. Anyway, so very nice, beautiful. And on the side, of course, is the projector like headlamp with the daylight running lights, and then the fog lamp that was the 2016 model. So here guys, on the other side for balance, the light with DRL and the fog lamp. And we'll just do a video walk around. These are two vehicles. Also you see in carry boy roof rack on top. So we'll do a video walk around. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm adding new videos almost every week. So so you'll be informed anytime we add new videos. Okay guys, so let me just do a video walk around. Okay, this is also fender flare, beautiful fender flare, and new rims, 20-inch rims, makes it look very impressive. Anyway, here we go. The side mirror is 2.8 auto, and the side cladding, TRD side cladding. Okay, and here we go. This is for the side step, impressive. Anyway, and here is the roof rack I talked about. You can carry your stuff in it. And on the side again is and then the TRD whole bar. Very impressive, very good looking car. So guys, you know we carry full range of Thailand vehicles, so just remember us for any vehicles you need. Okay guys, here is the rear of the vehicle, and as you see, here is the rear camera, the Revo Hilux, and the TRD for the rear, and the rear light. And this also is a new special accessory edition, what you call it. Anyway guys, here, okay, the rear light, and again, and you guys, as I was saying, I'll just do a video walk around. And we carry full range of Thailand vehicles, so pickups, SUVs, MPVs, van, minivans, and commercial truck, buses. So anything you may require, we have it. And also Toyota Hilux Revo, the new shape, and in use the old shape with TRD kit, without that kit, and Toyota Hilux Vigo in use, all three generations. So accessorize or non-accessorize, whichever year you need. And then all the other pickups like Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, we already covered, Nissan Navara NP300, and Mazda BT50, and so any, also of course Mitsubishi L200 Triton, Isuzu D-Max, and also the full range of SUVs like Toyota Fortuner, Nissan Pajero Sport, and Ford Everest, and various Ford SUVs, and Mazda SUV, Isuzu MUX, so anything you need. Okay guys, now I'm going to just do a video walk around of the second vehicle. It's pretty much the same, so which is the same. So anyway, we also guys offer full range of right hand drive vehicles from almost all the major right hand drive hubs. So from Thailand, of course, Australia, from Perth, UK, from London, and Japan, of course, and Singapore, Hong Kong. So anything right hand drive vehicle you need, we can supply. So here's, see, this is a different kind of roll bar, and also this is I'll just review the rear of this one, and this has the rear light, also has a rear light cover, and of course the same kit in the back, but this has the Revolution and also this insignia. So here's the rear camera, and also it has a utility box, so you can lock your valuables in when you are walking away from them. And the same here. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So here is 4x4, and all terrain tires, so look very impressive, and the fuel cover. So this is an accessory, and guys, it looks very beautiful. This is also another accessory, so handle cover, and of course the body cladding that I already showed you. And this is the rain visor, also called door visor, so very impressive. And a look at the roof rack. Anyway guys, I will also, as I told you, this is another accessory. We also have a full range of left-hand drive vehicles from Dubai, Oman, Bahrain, also from US, Canada, Europe, and of course Thailand and Japan. So okay, so let's see, take a look inside. See, this is carbon, all carbon woodwork. So as you know, Revo has plenty of speakers everywhere, all the buttons also on your and of course it's a engine start stop button, and more carbon work here, and as you see, beautiful steering controls, and of course the Revo meter. Okay guys, now look, this is new leather, all new leather, highest quality, in yellow, almost makes it look like the luxury cars, and matches the is more woodwork, and handbrake, and the 6-speed gear, and the eco mode and power mode, and the AC controls, and the display monitor. So, and the time clock, and here is the cooler. Okay, and also the door controls on the other end. So let's see, now let's take a look at the rear interior. Okay guys, See, beautiful yellow. Okay, see, beautiful, beautifully crafted leather, all new. And also this rear AC has also these woodwork done, the carbon work, and looks spectacular. Maybe the colors are not coming through, but the matches perfectly with the yellow of the. Okay guys, let's take a look in the interior of the other car. Okay, see here, this is also beautiful. Now today I'm a little late in, so almost evening time. You can see the sun setting, so darker shades. Here is the different kind of carbon work, black, so it's TRD, the door controls, of course, the speakers, and here is this the TRD effect, and engine start stop. Here's air vents, and the same leather, brand new leather. Okay, and then the steering controls. Okay, here we go. So carbon work, steering controls, and of course the notification meter, the meter with the notification in the middle. So here we go. Here we go. Here is the display monitor with the AC controls, 6-speed gear. See, it's beautiful, carbon, and the eco mode and power mode, hand gear, hand brake, and everything leather. The other side, anyway, the doggy here is playing with a frog, so chasing him, and he's enjoying the chase, both the frog and here we go. See, this is the side step, as you saw, and beautiful leather, stands out. Part of it is light cover, the same leather, and then of course we have the TRD. I'll show you here. Is the leather and then the TRD. Beautiful contrast. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and any vehicle you need from any part of the world we can supply. And we have been in business since 1911, long history, so 100 plus years of giving great quality vehicles at great prices, and have 5th generation, family owned, family operated in many parts of the world. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll give you a last view from the front, and that will be it for the vehicle for this video. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to review Revo in black. Anyway guys, thank you guys, take care, bye. We offer full range of Thailand vehicles: Toyota Revo, Vigo, Fortuner, Ford Ranger Wildtrak, Navara 9P300, and any Thai pickup, SUV, trucks, and also we export from Thailand, Australia, UK, USA, Dubai, Japan, Hong Kong, and all our cars are on sale. Okay, thanks for watching guys, it's been fun, and a like would be appreciated. Please leave comments and please subscribe. We're adding new videos every day. Thanks.